how to post Reddit AMA, that means Ask Me Anything. Now, hosting a Reddit Ask Me Anything involves choosing a community, verifying your identity, and engaging with audience in a real time. What you want to do is the largest stage for high profile figures, celebrity and expert, or people with highly unique life experiences. So for specific expertise, use the target communities. Open up your Reddit app, go to the inbox section, and here you should be able to find the group. And what you want to do is actually go to the home page, tap the Reddit avatar or the menu from the left hand side corner, and there you have your communities, right? Go to any of these community, open up the community page, and you just want to go to the chats, and you just want to make sure to tap the three dot plus button. And for now, what you want to do is you just want to reach out to the mode mail. That means message the mode button in a slider or a slide bar to propose your date, time, and topic as well. You can also email mode@imofficial.com to get on their official calendar as well. And this way, you should be able to post Reddit Ask Me Anything as well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.